Today we're going to draw a little bee going to school. And we're gonna need some color markers, one piece of paper, and also one black marker or rocket marker. I have also prepared one little story about our bee character, and his name is Bibi. And we can start drawing and listening the story as well. So let's get started. Bibi the bee was excited for his first day of school. He packed his brightly colored backpack with his favorite pencil, notebook, jar of honey, and a flower for show and tell. Bibi made new friends, learned about beekeeping, pollination, and honey making, and even wrote his own story. At snack time, he shared his honey, and during show and tell, Bibi presented his flower. Bibi went to bed dreaming of all the adventures he would have with his backpack. Now we can add some eyebrows, and they can be really small, just like that. Then we can add circles or semicircles, and another small one like this, so he will be looking up. Okay, and we can also add a little tongue, and there we go. Now we need to create his head, so we're gonna put some dots just as guidelines, and now we're gonna draw all the way around. Just like that. And we're gonna make him a little hat. Actually, it's gonna be a big hat. Big bee hat. And you can make it differently if you want. Something like this. And now we can finish this line and this line, and also we can add two more lines here, and we can add also some antennas for our lovely Bibi. Let's add one and another one on this side, so we're gonna have two of them, just like that. And now let's also draw the top part of his hat. It can go all the way to here, I think. Yeah. And there we go. We have his hat as well. Now we can draw his tiny little body. Just like that, like an oval. Then we can add one hand, like that. You can draw just circle instead of hands if you'd like. And there we have another one. Cool. And he will be running. He is running to get to school. So we can add one leg like this, and the other one a little bit bent, and sneaker. And there we go, he is running to get to school. And now, what do we need for his books and notebooks? We need his backpack. So let's draw one. It can go something like that. Simple. And there we go, we can add some pockets or something. Whatever you like you can add. And we're gonna also draw some wings, because our bee or BB has wings. Let's draw one. And let's draw another one. And there we go, guys, we have completed the drawing part, and now we're gonna call our monkey to color it. Hello guys, are you ready for the color magic? Let's go! 3. Hello guys, are you ready for the color magic? Let's go! 3, 2, 1. And there we go, guys, we have completed BB. We can give him a little heart, and we can also give him a little check mark because it's completed. And feel free, guys, to leave some comments or suggestions on our Instagram page. And see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.